In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the config tool to get to the intercom settings for either the base station or intercom. So here we're already in the config tool for those, but I'm going to show you how to get there first. So we're going to close out of this. This brings us back to the regular config tool, and you can find this on our website or request the link via email for this program. But now that we have this pulled up, we can see NVRs, and if we had any IP cameras on our network, we'd also be able to see those IP cameras by hitting this refresh button here. But now we're going to go down here to the icon on the bottom left. We're going to click that. It's going to bring us to this package center here. We're going to click VDPConfig. That's going to bring us to the config tool for the intercoms themselves. So as you can see, we have the VTO or intercom pulled up here. It's got an IP address of 192.168.1.111. And let's say we want to change that. We're first going to click the pencil icon here and then set the target IP to 192.168.1. Whatever one we want it to be on our local network. Let's say we'll change it to 140 in the next example. Then make sure your subnet mask is either this or lines up with the subnet mask for your network. And then also add your router. Here we have ours set to 192.168.1.1. Then we click OK. We should get a green check mark here. And then hit refresh. And if you don't get a green check mark there, you might get a orange triangle, and you're going to want to click that. If it says password error, you need to go up here to search setting and make sure you change the password to the password that is currently set on the intercom. In this example, we have username admin, password admin. That is the factory default and how it's sent. We can hit refresh here. It pulls up with the new IP address of 192.168.1.140. Thank you for watching.